How to convert audio format in WebPad. First of all, open WebPad on your computer and load the audio file you want to convert. You can do this by clicking on File and then Open File, or just drag and drop the file into the WebPad window. Next, once your audio file is open, go to the top menu and click on File. Then choose Save File As. This will open a dialog box where you can select the format you want to convert to. Then, in the Save As type drop-down menu, you will see several audio formats like MP3, WAV, WMA, OGG, FLAC, and more. Select the format you want to convert your file into. After that, choose the destination folder where you want to save the converted file and give your file a name if needed. Now, click on Save. WebPad will take a few moments to convert the file depending on the size and the format you selected. Once done, your new audio file will be saved in the location you choose. And that's it. Now you know how to convert audio format in WebPad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.